Hi, health students. So this week, we're actually going to take it all the way until next week, next Tuesday, which is going to be June 2nd. And with that said, your class is pretty much, for the most part, going to be over at that point. The last 3 days of, so like the third, the fourth, and the fifth, you guys are going to do any makeup work you have not finished, okay, so that those can get into Power School and we can be finish up the school year with everything turned in and completed. So what we're going to be doing this week for you guys is, and don't forget you have a Google Hangout on Thursday. I'm going to give you 4 different articles to read. Of those 4, you only have to pick 3 of them. And answer the questions below. They're all right here for you. So you're going to be learning about sun safety, sleep, oral health, and avoiding infectious diseases. Of those 4, just pick 3 of those and upload those works, the answers, the questions to those answers here. So the PDFs, the actual articles are down here. Okay, these are the worksheets. So just pick any 3 of those that you want to learn about for the week, and then submit them. Pretty easy. This is the second part, and this might take you a little bit longer, but I did explain this and make you aware of this a few weeks ago, or a couple weeks ago anyway, that at the end that we wanted you to create a Google site, because honestly this was the first time you have ever had an online class. And so now when you go to create this, you might have already created a Google site before through St. Joe. So if you have, just make one in there. That's totally fine. You can add on to it. If you haven't, just make one by itself. But I want you to put all the different weeks in there. So like week 1, I can't remember exactly what we were doing. But if you did like an EverFi course, there's no document you can really upload there. So take a screenshot if you can of your EverFi course and upload it. So you might want to say like week 1, and then this week I did EverFi, or this week I did, oh, I know it was healthy recipes, wasn't it? Or no, something about nutritious. I'm trying to remember exactly what we did, um, but either way, you would upload all your work there. So it should technically look like you have. Now we go up to week 7 here. Technically, we had 2 weeks of things that we were doing. So it's probably only going to be like 5 weeks that you're uploading of work, but there's a lot of work for you to upload, and it'll just add to your portfolio for the school and make it good. I did make a video a few weeks ago to explain that, and so if you need a refresher, you can go back and look on how I did that for you. So those are 2 things that we are doing this week: the articles with the 2 or 3 worksheets. Again, any 3 out of the 4. You can do all 4 if you want to, but you're only required to do 3. And then creating your Google sites for this health class. Other than that, that is it. Okay, good luck.